Coleman gets perhaps the best start. Su Bing-chan right alongside him. Prescott not too far away either, but it's Christian Coleman moving away. Lyles is finishing very, very quickly, and it could be Lyles! Wow, what a finish! From nowhere at 50 meters, he came storming.
So how do you say first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and all that in French? This kind of numbers are called ordinal numbers. How do you use ordinal numbers in French? This will be our focus today. Stick around. So ordinal numbers are essential for lists. You use them to denote position, to denote rank. For instance, she is the second child, she is the third student to leave this class. Second, first, third, fourth, fifth, and all that are known as ordinal numbers. And the opposites are cardinal numbers. Ordinal numbers in French are very easy, just like in English. All right, so first in French is premier, premier, or première, première. All right, so I'm saying premier because when it modifies a masculine noun, a singular masculine noun, then you say premier. But when it modifies a singular feminine noun, you say premier. For instance, class in French is feminine, la classe. If you wanted to say the first class, you say la première classe, la première classe. Room in French is la salle. If you wanted to say the first classroom, you say la première class. Note the E at the back and the accent, the acute accent on top of the first E signifies that class is feminine. So you don't say le premier classe or le premier salle. You say la première classe. Okay. Second in French is deuxième, deuxième. Third in French is troisième, troisième. Fourth in French is quatrième, quatrième. So what have you noticed so far? You've noticed that once you know numbers in French 1 to 10, all you just need to do, except premier of course, is just to add em. E, E accent grave, M, E. I, E with the acute accent, M and E. Just add it to the number. That's what we've been doing. But note, if the number already ends in E, you remove the last E, just like we have in quatre. You remove the last E before you now write I, E with the acute accent, M, E. So let's take that again. Deuxième, second, troisième, third, quatrième, fourth. So you see, I removed the E in 4 before I added ending. Okay, cinquième, cinquième. All right, for cinquième, before you write your EM, IE, accent, ME, you need to put U to aid the pronunciation. Okay, so cinquième, sixième, sixth, septième, seventh, huitième, 8, neuvième, neuvième. So neuvième, you just change the F in 9, in neuf, change it to V. Neuvième et dixième. So this goes for all numbers. So if you know your numbers in French, all you just need to do is just add your ending, IEME, to it, and you form your ordinal numbers in French. Of course, note the following exceptions. One, for premier. Premier doesn't follow the normal rule. It is unique on its own. So premier used with masculine singular nouns, and première used with singular feminine nouns. When you get to 4, quatrième, because quatrième already ends in E, you remove the first E and add EM. Cinquième, cinquième, fifth, you add U before EM. Cinquième is to aid the pronunciation. Cinquième. All right, when you get to 9, neuvième. 9 in French is neuf. So ninth is neuvième. So you just change the F to V and you have neuvième, meaning ninth in French. And there you have it. Now you know ordinal numbers in French. Can you comment? So let's try and form some sentences. Je suis dans la première salle. Je suis, I am, dans, inside. La première salle, the first room. So I am in the first room.